As you know, the Prime Minister had conducted the groundbreaking ceremony a couple of weeks ago, and today marks the actual formal agreement between the two entities, which is the Lautoka Municipal Council and, of course, the Tappoo family company. You know, as a lot has already been said, both at the groundbreaking ceremony and, of course, this afternoon, what I would like to reiterate is that the vast economic growth that has taken place in Fiji, in particular over the past 18 months or so, a lot of it, in fact, has been propelled by Fijian business houses. And we need to be mindful of that, because sometimes we do tend to get carried away about foreign investments. But it is the local investors who actually provide the drive. And indeed, as I said a couple of months ago in Navua, where when local business houses invest, it creates even further confidence, because the overseas investors who come in, they'll say if the locals are feeling confident enough to invest, then obviously we should invest also. There must be something good. In the same way, you know, you walk past a Chinese restaurant, if you see a lot of Chinese people eating in the restaurant, you say it must be a good restaurant. Because the Chinese food must be there good because Chinese people are eating there. It's a fact. So in the same way, if a foreigner comes to Fiji and they see Fijians investing in their own country, they'll feel very confident about it. And this relationship obviously has started off through a very transparent process where the municipal council advertised and expressions of interest were sought, and obviously the best company was chosen to carry out this particular development. It will add a new dimension to Lautoka, of course. There's some other exciting developments taking place in Lautoka, will be taking place very soon. And I'd like to thank the administrator for his drive, for his energy, even though he's from Ba. But he has done a fantastic work, and I think we all need to acknowledge that. I would also hope that some of the other municipalities also follow suit, follow this example. Suva, obviously, as you know, in the past few weeks opened a new garden area along the foreshore, which has been tremendously successful. In fact, last Sunday I was there, and there were literally thousands of people in that area. And it has enhanced the value of that area, of course, but also provided an avenue for the citizens of Suva to go and enjoy their city. So similarly, the idea is that municipal councils and indeed administrators need to provide an environment of enjoyment, an environment where there's confidence, an environment where there's amenities and facilities available that makes people's lives not only easier but also makes it a lot more interesting, and at the same time create employment for the country. So it gives me much pleasure here, and I think now they will be signing the agreements. I was earlier this afternoon down at the Sunbeam. They have bought some new buses, and as I said there, that Fiji at the moment is on this path of economic growth, unprecedented economic growth, which we need to all capitalize on. Whether we are the officer sitting behind the desk in the Lautoka Municipal Council office when somebody comes to submit their building plan or renovation to their house, or whether you are somebody at Town and Country Planning, or whether indeed you are the Hotel Licensing Board, or TLTB, or Lands Department. We all need to play our jobs, we all need to play our role, and if we're all very professional and transparent about it and have merit-based appointments, merit-based application processing, then Fiji will indeed see furthermore unprecedented growth and become a country like Singapore. Thank you very much for your attendance, and I wish this partnership all the success. Naka.